today we have got with us Satish Surya Narayanan, who is a MD of a manufacturing unit which manufactures industrial paints. So he would be telling us about that what he is facing in this scenario of corona, where every factory, every manufacturing unit is shut down. So we'll take you over to Satish Surya Narayanan. Welcome, sir. Sir, first of all, I would like to ask you to explain your business and your company and your manufacturing unit name for us, please.
Good morning, all of you all. My name is Satish Surya Narayanan. I am the director of Metcon Coatings and Chemicals India Private Limited, a private limited company which is having its factory at Navi Mumbai. We manufacture industrial paints and we supply to various multinational companies. And in this present scenario, we would discuss about the lockdown as to how it has affected our MSME sector.
So, sir, I would like to, as you have already spoken, that we would like to discuss about the lockdown and the scenario, that how is your factory, in which condition is your factory, a manufacturing unit at the moment. So my question comes like, please tell us the current scenario and the scenario which you have faced during the closure from corona for your factory.
The closure of our factory was as per the government directives from March 20th. So from that day till this day, and we expect that things should reopen by around May 4th as per the government directives. But the closure has been severe for us because there is completely zero production. All our raw materials and finished stocks are lying at our premises. And once we reopen, we have to check out as to what the scenario would be and how we should go about it.
And I would like to ask you that how have you coped up in this scenario with especially with your employees, and how many employees you have got?
We have close to around 50 employees, and we have paid them the salaries for the period of March. And April also we will be paying them once we reopen. And it has been tough for both of us, but yes, we are supporting our employees in this regard, and we will be paying them the salaries.
And my another question arises that especially you might be going through some loans also which you have taken for your business, and seeing this scenario with no incomes, everything shut down, no payments coming up, what is your take on that, and how you are strategizing this condition in terms of your loans for your factory, for your manufacturing unit?
Yes, that is an issue which is an issue with all MSMEs because we all rely on loans from the banks. But we have continued with our interest repayments and the principal repayments of our loans. We have not opted for any moratorium because then it will put a further stress on our finances in the days to come. So at present we are paying them, but future we don't know how we'll be able to cope up unless there is a support from the government.
And as your manufacturing unit is closed at the moment, and third, as people are eyeing that third or fourth it would open again and you would resume your duties, but seeing the corona scenario which seems to be lasting for a long time, so in that case what do you see after third if it doesn't open for you?
Well, the problems would be compounded, that's what I would say, but as per today's newspaper, they are trying to extend the lockdown in Mumbai MMR because of the virus being not contained and it is spreading. So we do expect that things would not open until end of May, but that will again compound the problems for us because 2 months and 2.5 months of no production would really put us in a big spot of bother.
And now I come towards the taxes. what sort of relaxation in terms of tax regime, whether GST, whether income tax, you're looking from the government in this particular scenario? And please tell us about this, as well as that how will you cope up maintaining a momentum of giving salaries and deductions of your tax as well?
Well, as of now, the government has given us a relaxation of GST that is to be paid till June. However, there is an interest of 9% if it is paid beyond the due date. We would like the interest to be waived off. Also, income tax due dates for the personal income tax, which falls on 31st July, needs to be extended. Plus, other income tax due dates of filing of returns, etc., needs to be extended. And we would request that there should be no assessments, no scrutiny from any government authorities whatsoever for a period of 1 year, so that we try to overcome this situation and tough situation that we are in.
And if by chance, or with the crossing our fingers that everything goes in a right direction after third, then what will happen with your raw material to manufacture goods? So because the supply and the things would not be just starting off in one go. In that case, have you got enough raw material, or what are your plans?
See, raw materials, we have stocks of raw materials that we keep for normally 2 weeks. However, there have been lot of raw materials that has been ordered and imported raw materials that is lying at the ports for clearance. That will get stuck. So certain key inputs which is required for the manufacturing of paints may be stuck. Plus, there is an issue of labor not coming back. They might have migrated to their hometowns, or there will be paucity of labor. So these are the scenarios that we foresee in once we reopen, and the momentum of sales would just not be there. We need to start from ground zero.
Any sort of subsidy you're looking for from the government? Like you said, at least for one year you want some sort of relaxations?
Yeah, of course, we have to look up to the government, as countries around the world have been supporting, and all MSMEs across the world. We are looking for an interest subvention of our loans that has been taken, say around from the current rate to around 6 to 7%. That should help us survive this for at least 1 year. That should help us survive and tide over this crisis. Secondly, the payment of wages and salaries of employees must be given by the government, or at least a part subsidy should be given, so that we can together help in fighting this crisis.
Like in terms of EPF or ESI, if you might be deducting. So you want a relaxation of that?
Yeah, if the contribution of PF and ESIC is paid by the government, that will be a welcome relief.
And apart from that, just wrapping up the session, my question is that in case, like as we are talking, that this carries on like for a month or so, then it would be rather a disaster for our economy as well. And so what, being a MD and running a manufacturing unit, have you any suggestions or plans to suggest the government and the very small scale businesses who can't cope up in this scenario? Any plans for them that how they can manage?
Yeah, so the government can put in a rule that, the private enterprises should procure a minimum of, say, 25 to 30% from the MSMEs. That will help support the MSMEs, and private sectors which have not been procuring earlier, they will start to procure from the MSMEs. That will give a big relief to the MSMEs in this regard.
There was a question in my mind whether the government has done enough during the corona for the people, as making sure that they are not affected with the things, and apart from that, for the businesses, they have thought of that how they will manage the things. The management is proper, what I'm trying to say, from the side of the administration. What is your take on that?
Yes, I believe the government is doing the right thing, because had it not been for the lockdown, we could have probably seen a spike of lack of cases of corona. So the government is taking the right step and the right direction, and with the package for MSMEs and financial package stimulus coming up, I believe it is on the right track to ensure that the economy restarts, and everybody is getting the share which is expected of them.
So this was a managing director from a manufacturing unit of industrial paints from Mumbai with us, who wants some relaxation from the government to survive in this corona scenario, and these industrialists are very much coping up and want to cope up and assist the government as much as they can, but in return they need some relief to cope up with this scenario. This is Gaurav Narula for Political Daw Page, Mumbai.